Hello guys, my name is Abbas Dash, and as you can see, this is a light board. I use this particular light board to teach my audience, and it is one of the most interactive way of teaching the audience because I do not have to turn my back. I have to only speak to the camera here, and it is more engaging. You can see here, this is the light board. I'll show you how to assemble this, how to make this light board, and where to buy this. Most importantly, where to buy this product and where to get all the necessary equipments to make a light board studio. Let's get started. Like a Hellcat. I have received the DIY kit of the light board, and today I'm gonna show you. I'll just open this DIY kit and I'll show you how to assemble this. As you know that I do make my videos on my light board because it's one of the most convenient way to make interactive videos. So let's get started. And the packaging is, by outside I can tell you, the packaging is very tough. Very good quality packaging has been done so that the light board should not get any scratches and all. And so I'll show you how to assemble the DIY kit of the light board. Let's get started. Oh my god, just see, I love the packaging. So I'll show you one by one what is there inside and how to assemble this. So let's open this bubble wrap. Let's see what's inside this. So as you can see, it's a beautifully cellophane wrapped, and we get to this base. This is like, I think this is a solid base, and it's a very good quality base. So I'll be showing you how to use this base, and we also have two markers. So these are specific markers that are used only to write in the light boards. So these are all the normal markers. Then we have an adapter. I think it's 12-volt adapter. Yes, and we have your output, and we have the main. And in the output, as you can see, there are two wires like black and red. So what we have to do is, you can see here we have a warm white LED light also given in the package. So we also have a black and red color wire here. So we just have to connect it with the black and red here in this from this adapter. So once you connect these two, then the next one is we have to connect it with the main. So once you receive the glass also, so this is like 3 feet into 2 feet of 2.5 feet of glass I have received, which is of extra clear annealed glass with RG, and as well as it has very low iron content, which is 91% lower iron content than the other one. For light board specifically, we need the low iron content glass because so that the light can pass through this easily. Okay, so once you receive it, the next step is you have to stick the warm LED. You must have got in your package this warm LED lights. So you have to stick it like this with the help of a sellotape. As you can see, I have already pasted here some of the sellotapes. You have to stick it around the glass. Okay, all the three sides. Please do not paste one side, just leave one side. This is all the three sides you have to paste it. So as the next part I showed you before also, so what you have to do is you have to take out the two strips, the red and black of the LED, and you have to put it inside one of the adapter. So it must be written as output or something here, and this is the input. So this will be going into socket. I have a socket here, so I will be showing it how I do use it. Okay, so as you can see, I have already pasted this warm light in the three sides around the light board, and here I am going to show you like how do I do the current, give the input of the current. As you can see here, I have these two wires, so I'll just put it here and here, and you can see here. Okay, so this is illuminated. So now I'll show you how to write it here. Okay. So one thing is like you must have received a marker pen, two assorted colors, and these are special type of markers. So if you go to the market and buy 8 a pack or 10 a pack, it will cost you around 1000 or something. But in this DIY product, you already get 2 marker pens. And using this marker pen are very easy. What you have to do is you have to just press it, the tip, and once you do it, you just leave it, and you just have to shake it well so that the ink comes into the tip. So once it comes into the tip, you can write on the glass board or your light board, and I'll show you how does it looks when I write it in the dark. So as you can see, the light board behind me, it seems like this in the dark, and you can write anything here. Just see how I'm writing here. Okay, I'm writing Abbas. So I'll show you how to set up your room, how to set up your studio for Lightboard. Before making your studio, what you have to do is you have to take a lamp, something like this, so that it will be illuminating you. It should be after your Lightboard. Okay, it should be illuminating just you. It should not be before the Lightboard there, because you know what it will do, it will diffract all the lights in the Lightboard. So it should be after the Lightboard. So when it is after the Lightboard, this will only illuminate you. I'll just show you how this looks. See, this is only illuminating me. So I'll show you how does it looks from the other side. Okay, just look at this. You getting me, right? So this particular light will be upon the speaker. This will be only upon the speaker. So when the speaker will write anything, it will just get illuminated, and you can keep your focus like this. Okay, you can set your camera as per the required. So this is how the Lightboard is been set up. It is very simple. Just go to the link, click on the link and buy your Lightboard as soon as possible. Buy the DIY product. It is very much interesting also. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.